Engine oil temperature refers to the temperature of the lubricating oil used in an internal combustion engine. It is an important factor to monitor as it affects the performance and lifespan of the engine. High oil temperatures can cause the oil to break down and become less effective as a lubricant, leading to increased friction and wear on engine components. This can cause engine damage and reduce its lifespan. On the other hand, low oil temperatures can cause the oil to thicken and reduce its ability to flow freely through the engine, potentially leading to oil starvation and engine damage. It is important to maintain the engine oil at an appropriate temperature range, typically between 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the type of engine and the operating conditions. Some modern vehicles have sensors that monitor the engine oil temperature and alert the driver if it exceeds a certain limit. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and proper engine tuning, can help to keep the engine oil temperature within the recommended range. Additionally, using high-quality oil and selecting the right weight and viscosity grade for your engine can also help to maintain appropriate oil temperatures. The temperature of the engine oil is affected by several factors, including the load on the engine speed, the ambient temperature, and the efficiency of the oil cooling system. During normal operation, the oil temperature in an internal combustion engine will naturally increase as the engine runs, so it is important to monitor it and ensure that it does not exceed the recommended range. The oil cooling system in an engine helps to regulate the oil temperature. It typically consists of a heat exchanger, such as an oil cooler, that is located in the oil circuit between the oil pump and the oil filter. The oil circulates through the cooler, which removes heat from the oil before it returns to the engine. It is important to note that different types of engines may have different requirements for oil temperature. High-performance engines or racing engines may operate at higher temperatures than a standard passenger car engine, as they are designed to withstand the added stress and heat. Regular oil changes and maintenance can help to maintain appropriate oil temperatures. It is also important to use a high-quality oil that is recommended for your engine and to select the right viscosity grade for your driving conditions. If you are unsure about what type of oil to use or the recommended oil temperature range for your engine, it is best to consult the vehicle owner's manual or a qualified mechanic.